Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is my channel Dream Tarot and I am doing reading for the sign of Leo for the month of August. I have already shuffled my cards. Now I will cut them in pile and then pull a card for you. Center of the reading you have 4 of wands. Base of the reading is 10 of swords. Top of the reading you have 2 of cups. Recent past you have a fool. And in near future you will have 6 of swords. 3 of wands is your self card. Queen of Pentacles in your surrounding. Your hopes and fears are 4 of Pentacles. And your outcome is Page of Wands. So Leo, underneath the deck you have 6 of Pentacles. You're focusing right now is balancing your finances, or you are enjoying your finances, and maybe you're um, thinking and searching some resources by which you can balance your finances. Yes, you are very much in your element and very action oriented, uh, and about your finances, and you are uh, trying to see all pros and cons, and getting all information to make yourself balance um, in your material world. So in currently you have 4 of wands in your current position. Maybe you are uh, very much uh, feeling happy. You are in some celebration, and maybe you are attending some events, or maybe uh, your married life and your home is currently your focus. And what is crossing it is Nine of Pentacle. Yes, you are in a commitment with someone, and maybe this is marriage, but someone is want to be uh, alone, or maybe someone wants to be a single, or someone wants to become sufficient by themselves. Maybe this is regarding your married life, or your home life. Maybe you are trying to get house for yourself, and for this you are very much facing some problems regarding finance. Or maybe you have some problem in your married life, and maybe you people are separated right now. uh, um, and being on your own separately this time, and very much sufficient, uh, very much sufficient on your own. What is based on the reading is 10 of sword. Yes, you have uh, you are facing some pain and feeling back in the stab, like in regarding this situation. And well, this is a full circle of pain. I mean, you are having extreme pain in your life right now, and this is the base. So what is currently happening in your life? Maybe you are separated from your partner, or uh, this is giving you very much pain in your life, and you are very much upset because of this, and you want some balance in your life. You are wanting to make things balance. That's why you are focusing on everything and what is need to do to make it better in your life. So what is on your mind? Yes, because you in your mind very much about your mind is thinking very much about your partner. You are very feeling in love with them. You are maybe you are missing them. So this is in your mind, and you are thinking about your partnership, your emotions right now, and but at the same time you are going through some pain in your life. Maybe this is a risk someone took. Maybe you took some risks in your life, or maybe you start something new in maybe you or your partner do that. Things can be vice versa. So if it does not resonate in your side, it can be resonate from your partner's side, that your partner is have took some your partner had took some risk in your partnership, and you people are having problem in your marriage life, and they become, you people are separated from each other. But um, in your mind you both are in your heart and mind both are feeling very emotional for each other, very lovey-dovey for each other. But uh, in actual in your in surrounding and in real from the upper side, you people are feeling a lot of pain in this relationship because of the separation. And in near future you people will have some mental peace, and you maybe you people will come to the point to resolve this is the matter whatever is going on with the few people. And maybe you people find try will have some resolution regarding this conflict, whatever you have. So, and you will not in physical world, not in physically, but mentally, maybe you both will have, maybe you will have this peace of mind. From this conflict you will travel to some calm situation in future. Let's see two more cards for this: Four of Swords and Seven of Swords. You will have some, yeah, definitely all is all about thinking and mind related matter in your future. You whatever in your mind, whatever you are painting, you will resolve, and you will have peace of mind in future. And maybe you people will have resolved this matter, and you will first you will get the peace of mind, then you will not think anything about this matter, and you will be relaxed in end of the August. And then you will try some you will make some strategy about strategy to resolve this matter, and you will have some plans regarding this issue. You will solve this issue, and you will leave this issue behind, and definitely you will resolve this matter with peace of mind. In your self you have three of wands. You are desperately waiting for some resolution regarding your situation, and you think you are seeing some signs that your things are getting better and better. But in your surrounding you have Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this is your spouse or maybe your partner. They are very much grounded and very much uh, uh, very much taking, they are taking risk, they are taking initiate they will take initiate they will initiate for something, and they are very grounded and an intelligent person. uh, so definitely they also want this in their life, that they are want to resolve this problem. And your hope and fear is that You are feeling that this person is holding their emotions and holding themselves from you, and they are also thinking like that. This is your thinking that if you will start some talks, then they will fight with you, and they will not give you any response. This is your fear, and you are hoping that you that you have to be uh, keep keep yourself stable. You have to make yourself stable to resolve this conflict regarding this issue. So in your outcome is page of pentacle. This is very slow progress, and you are not seeing any progress. In practical matter, you are not seeing any progress, and if you are seeing any progress, but it will be very slow. And but definitely you will have something on your in your tangible life, that you will see the light from the tunnel, from the end of the tunnel, and you will start seeing some uh, 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 you start seeing something happening regarding this issue. Yeah, or this issue is start solving slowly. And let's see two more cards. Seven of cups, eight of swords. Yes, you have some more too much illusion, and you are stuck in your mind confusion, and you are not clearly seeing what is going on. What is mm, you are not seeing the real picture, and you are afraid of your thoughts, and you are very much confused about the situation. That's why things are moving very slowly. So first you have to remove this. As you can see that it is all about clarification in your mind from this lies and conflict, and you have to make some thoughts about it, and then you will get the peace of mind. You will get the balancing thoughts in your mind, and you have to remove this uh, mm, confusion and stuck and the thought that you are stuck in something. Whenever you clean thoughts like this, you will see the start of the you will start seeing the solution of the conflict, or you will see that this conflict is starting uh, resolving. uh, so I hope this reading will resonate with you. If so, then you please let me confirm in the comments below. Thanks for watching.